Hello everybody, welcome back to channel Fantastic Machinery. In the realm of forestry and wood processing, the whole tree chipper stands out as a technological marvel, revolutionizing the industry with its efficiency and high productivity. This modern marvel has transformed the way we approach timber harvesting and wood chip production, offering a seamless solution that maximizes efficiency and minimizes waste. At the heart of this innovation is the whole tree chipper's ability to process entire trees from trunk to branches in a single operation. Traditionally, timber harvesting involved felling trees and then transporting them to a processing facility where they would be cut into smaller sections before being chipped. This multi-step process not only consumed time but also led to increased transportation costs and a significant amount of waste. The whole tree chipper eliminates these inefficiencies by chipping the entire tree on site. Equipped with powerful blades and cutting mechanisms, these machines can process trees of varying sizes with remarkable speed. This not only streamlines the overall harvesting process but also ensures that almost every part of the tree is utilized, leaving little to no waste behind. One of the standout features of modern whole tree chippers is their ability to directly spray wood chips into waiting truck beds. This integration of chipping and loading in one seamless operation significantly enhances productivity. As the chips are ejected directly into the truck bed, it eliminates the need for a separate loading process, saving both time and labor. This direct loading capability transforms the entire workflow, allowing for a continuous and efficient cycle of harvesting and transportation. The precision and speed of this process are awe-inspiring. The whole tree chipper can handle large volumes of wood in a short span, making it an indispensable tool for commercial logging operations. The chips produced are not only uniform in size but can also be customized to meet specific industry standards, catering to diverse applications such as paper production, biomass energy, and landscaping. Moreover, the environmental benefits of this technology are noteworthy. By minimizing waste and optimizing resource utilization, the whole tree chipper contributes to sustainable forestry practices. The chips produced can be repurposed for various eco-friendly applications, further reducing the ecological footprint of the timber industry. In addition to its operational efficiency, the whole tree chipper also enhances worker safety. With the ability to process trees rapidly and in a controlled manner, it reduces the need for manual labor in hazardous conditions, making the overall timber harvesting process safer and more efficient. The whole tree chipper stands as a testament to the remarkable advancements in modern forestry technology. Its ability to process entire trees on site, coupled with the convenience of direct loading into truck beds, has transformed the timber industry, offering a more efficient, sustainable, and safer approach to wood processing. As we continue to embrace cutting-edge technologies, the whole tree chipper stands tall as a symbol of progress in the ever-evolving world of forestry and wood production. The Rotochopper B66T, boasting a formidable 950 horsepower, stands as an industrial juggernaut at the forefront of sustainable wood processing. This robust machine is a marvel in the realm of biomass recycling, transforming wood into a valuable source of renewable fuel. Harnessing its immense power, the B66T employs a cutting-edge grinding mechanism to meticulously crush wood, unlocking its latent energy potential. As logs and timber enter the grinding chamber, the machine's precision engineering and raw horsepower combine to reduce them into finely shredded material. This process is not merely a mechanical operation. It is a sustainable alchemy that converts wood waste into a green energy resource. One of the key highlights of the B66T is its capacity to produce high-quality wood chips and mulch, which can be used as eco-friendly alternatives to traditional fossil fuels. The finely processed wood material becomes a renewable fuel source, contributing to a cleaner and more sustainable energy landscape. The innovation doesn't stop with raw power. The B66T is also designed for efficiency and durability. Its advanced features ensure optimal performance while minimizing environmental impact. The machine's sophisticated engineering allows for precise control over the size and consistency of the output, catering to diverse applications in the renewable energy sector. Beyond its technical prowess, the B66T embodies a commitment to environmental responsibility. By repurposing wood waste into renewable fuel, this machine plays a vital role in reducing reliance on non-renewable resources and mitigating the environmental impact of wood disposal. In a world where sustainable practices are paramount, the Rotochopper B66T emerges as a beacon of innovation, seamlessly blending power, efficiency, and environmental consciousness. It stands as a testament to the transformative potential of technology in shaping a greener and more sustainable future. The deafening roar of a CAT 780 HP engine reverberates through the air as it powers a formidable wood trunk crusher, a marvel of modern machinery designed to efficiently process massive logs with unparalleled strength and precision. This industrial behemoth stands as a testament to the fusion of cutting-edge technology and raw power. At its core, the CAT 780 HP engine serves as the pulsating heart of this wood trunk crusher, propelling it through the toughest of tasks with unmatched vigor. The 780 horsepower engine, a symbol of Caterpillar's engineering excellence, ensures that the crusher can devour wood trunks of considerable size with ease. Its robust design and high torque output make it a force to be reckoned with in the forestry and logging industry. The wood trunk crusher itself is a mechanical marvel, featuring a series of interlocking blades and crushing mechanisms that work in unison to break down large logs into manageable pieces. As the engine roars to life, the operator guides the machine toward the towering wood trunks, each one a challenge waiting to be conquered. The efficiency of the wood trunk crusher lies not only in its raw power, but also in its ability to handle a diverse range of wood types. From dense hardwoods to softer conifers, the crusher adapts to its surroundings, showcasing a versatility that is crucial in the ever-changing landscape of forestry operations. The precision of the cutting and crushing mechanisms ensures that the resulting wood chips are uniform, ready to be processed into various products like paper, lumber, or biomass. CAT 780 HP engine, with its state-of-the-art technology, not only powers the crusher but also ensures fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. This commitment to sustainability aligns with the industry's growing emphasis on environmentally friendly practices. The marriage of power and eco-consciousness positions this wood trunk crusher as a formidable player in the quest for efficient and responsible wood processing. The wood trunk crusher, driven by a CAT 780 HP engine, stands as a testament to human ingenuity and engineering prowess. It is not merely a machine, it is a symphony of power, efficiency, and sustainability, embodying the spirit of progress in the forestry and logging industry. As the engine roars and the blades spin, this industrial giant continues to shape the landscape of wood processing, making a resounding impact on both productivity and environmental responsibility. The Rotochopper B66 horizontal crusher stands at the forefront of wood waste processing, specifically designed to tackle the challenges posed by pallet waste. This robust machine showcases unparalleled efficiency and effectiveness in transforming discarded wood pallets into valuable resources through its innovative design and cutting-edge technology. Equipped with a powerful horizontal feed system, the B66L seamlessly processes pallet waste wood with precision and speed. The incorporation of advanced screens ensures that the wood is efficiently sorted and sized to meet desired specifications. This not only enhances the overall processing efficiency, but also ensures that the end product aligns with industry standards. The B66L's horizontal orientation plays a pivotal role in its success, allowing for a continuous and uniform feeding of pallet waste into the crusher. This results in a consistent output of processed wood, reducing downtime and optimizing production rates. The machine's robust construction further contributes to its durability and longevity, making it a reliable workhorse in the field of wood waste management. Whether dealing with bulky pallets or smaller wood components, the B66L excels in handling a diverse range of materials. Its versatility extends to different wood types and sizes, making it a versatile solution for businesses involved in pallet recycling or wood processing. In conclusion, the Rotochopper B66L horizontal crusher stands as a beacon of excellence in the domain of wood waste processing. Its ability to effectively and efficiently process pallet waste through advanced screens sets it apart, making it an indispensable asset for industries committed to sustainable and resourceful wood waste management. Thank you for joining us in discovering the amazing and effective wood chipping and grinding equipment and technology. Today's video is over, and we can't wait to hear what you think. How did you find this process? Please share your comments with us. If you find the content informative or interesting, show your appreciation by clicking the like button and sharing it with others. Don't miss out on future updates by subscribing to our channel. Your support means a lot to us. Stay tuned for more insightful videos in the future. Hello, and see you in our upcoming content.